Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to be taking a look at the Keurig K-Mini Mate single serve coffee maker. I did purchase this product myself. If you're interested in this product, the link to it will be in the video description, where we also have linked our daily deals website, so be sure to shop those deals as well. This is available in 4 different colors. We have the black color here, but again, you can pick and choose from a couple different colors, so find the one that best suits you. Take a look. Retail box is very nice, simple, straightforward, with just some key features and nice product imagery here. But they're advertising its ultra space-saving design. It's 1 cup reservoir up to 12 ounces, and in this case, the matte black finish. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and see what's inside. Here are all the contents. First up, we have our product literature consisting of some promotional material as well as our quick start guide. The quick start guide is very detailed and thorough, super helpful, walking you through the settings and features of your new Keurig. So, brew overview, before you brew your first cup, brew features, there's a high altitude mode as well too. You can enable or disable caring for your brewer, removing and cleaning the K-cup pod holder, and then the descaling procedure. So if you want to follow that, they have that outlined for you right here, and they recommend doing that every 3 months. Customer support and contact information all throughout, so you can always reach out with any questions, comments, or concerns. Next, you'll find 2 pieces of the drip tray here, and then last but not least, the Keurig itself. Let's look at this in more detail. Starting with the top of our Keurig, we have 1 button front and center. This is your brew button with the Keurig K logo and branding on it. Above that, we have our descale indicator light. That'll come on automatically, I believe, every 3 months or so. That's going to be when you want to then do the descaling, when that light comes on. Once you complete the procedure, that light will go back off. We can open up the lid to reveal our K-cup holder in here, and this is removable. You can just pop it right out for easy washing, rinsing, and cleaning. Take a look at the inside there with it removed, and it just pops right back in place. Take note, we got our sharp pointy up at the top there on the lid. And then the back side, we have our lid for the reservoir, and the reservoir just comes right out. 12 ounce max, 10, 8, and 6 ounce markings. 6 is the minimum, 12 is the maximum, or you can land anywhere in between. And that's on both sides of the water reservoir, which is nice to see. Give you that full close-up there. And you can see with the reservoir removed what it looks like. Additional product info on the back side. Serial number, and you can scan and unlock more savings. And that just goes right back in there. And the lid just pops right back on. Very easy to take out to refill. Looking at it from the very front, we got the Keurig logo and branding below the lid. And then down here, this is where the drip tray pops right in, just slides right in like so. Show you the left side and the right side there. It's very small and compact. Here's the back side with our integrated power cord. There's no cable management or way to stuff any of that cable in there, for those wondering. And then here's a look at the very bottom side. Not much to it. Additional product warnings and cautions there. And additional product info down here. 120 volt AC, 60 hertz, 1520 watts. Household use only. Now let's go ahead and get the drip tray installed on the unit. So again, 2 pieces here. The top cover just gently goes on like so. So it just lines up, fits right in, and then you just take it, and this just fits right in as well. So very easy. You can just slide it right in. You get the idea. Easy to remove and clean as needed. Before our first cup of coffee, we need to go ahead and do the initial brew. So we'll add 8 ounces of water here. We'll add a mug. Then we'll go ahead, we'll open this up. We will not insert a K-cup. Then we will shut it, and we'll press the brew button and let it do its thing. 8 ounces of water, large mug. Open it up. Do not put a K-cup in yet. Shut it. The button is now blinking and illuminating, and it's time to start our initial brew. Water's going out the reservoir and coming out the front right here. It's steaming if you can't see that, so very hot. The water just stopped. It's been about a minute so far. Here's some internal noises still. We'll give it another second to work through that. There we go. It just shut off. Simple, straightforward. Now, let's brew some coffee. So for our first cup of coffee, we have another 8 ounces of water right here. We have our coffee pod, and just for fun, we're gonna time it to see how long it takes, and I have a thermometer here, so we're gonna see how hot the coffee is once it comes out. So let's go ahead to make your cup of coffee, grab your pod, gently press it in, make sure you have your water tank filled up. Once you have the lid shut, your brew button will start blinking and flashing. Let's go ahead, we're gonna press these at the same time. All right, and now we're starting to brew. We'll see how long it takes, and then we'll see how hot it gets. Not even 15 seconds in and coffee already starts coming out. And we'll wait till the machine shuts off. It has stopped brewing at 1 minute 20 seconds, but let's go till the noise stops. There we go. So 1 minute 27 seconds, we'll call it a $1.30. Really quick to brew. Let's see how hot this is too. So really toasty. We're at 137 degrees so far. 146, 152, 157, 160, 164, 165. We'll see what our max readout is. We're at 168. All right, 168.4, 168.6, we're still going up, but going to be right at that high 160s, right under 170. We can call it 170, but we peaked at 168.6, if you can see that. Maybe. Barely. Come on, focus. There we go. 168.6 is what we got temp-wise for our nice fresh cup of coffee there. So very, very warm. Overall, the Keurig K-Mate is a very no-thrills, simple and straightforward, space-saving, single-serve coffee maker. Cheers!